Hi guys, this is Maggie Osama from Online Learning School. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss the 4 viewports. As I mentioned in the previous lecture, you can access the 4 viewports by clicking on this button in the top right corner beside the navigation tools. The default viewport, which we have been working on the past lectures, called perspective. Once we click on this icon in the top right, we will have the 4 viewports displayed all together. These different viewports basically help you to view your models or objects from different camera angles. So we have here the perspective view, the top view, the right view, and the front view. As you can see here, each one of these viewports has its own menu and its own navigation tools. In the perspective view, we could see the X, Y, and Z axis. In the top view, we could see only the Z and X axis. In the right view, we could see only the Y and Z axis. And finally, in the front view, we could only see Y and X axis. In case you want to maximize any of these viewports, simply go to the same button, yet the one related to the viewport that you want to maximize, and click on it. If you want to go back to all of them, click again on the same button. And then you can go to another one and click to change the viewport. You can also instead use the function keys to quickly toggle between these viewports. If you hit F1 on keyboard, you would have the perspective view. If you hit F2 on keyboard, you would get the top view. If you hit F3, you would get the right view. And if you hit F4 on keyboard, you would get the front view. And finally, we have F5 to restore all the 4 viewports. Perfect! So now we know the 4 viewports in Cinema 4D. In the next lecture, we'll walk through the move, scale, and rotate tools here, which are related to the X, Y, and Z axis. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to Online Learning School YouTube channel and hit the ring button so you could get notified once a new video released. Thank you so much for watching and looking forward to seeing you next lecture.